What's up, y'all? Welcome to our how-to channel on YouTube. My name is Ben Reber with R&B Products. I'm the Cowboy Contractor and your sealer guy, and this video starts now. We just wrapped up a job of travertine. We removed all the concrete decking and it installed travertine. Today we are going to discuss our St. City Naturals, which is our natural stone sealer. We have the enhanced and the non-enhanced. Some of the benefits of the non-enhanced: it's super easy to use. It's just a one-part water-based sealer. The other benefit of the sealer is the square footage. You get 800 to 1,000 square feet per gallon. Because it's a water-based sealer, you can apply it to damp surfaces. Now we're going to pour this into our pump sprayer, spray it down in sections, and then we're going to use a microfiber mop to then even and mop it in. So if you have natural stone, travertine, marble, slate, flagstone, whatever you have, and you want to protect it from UV rays, or just protect it against stains, spills, mildew, use our St. City Naturals non-enhanced or enhanced.
This next portion of our video will go over how to properly apply our St. City Naturals sealer. This is a water-based penetrating sealer designed to protect natural stone surfaces. Coverage will depend on how porous your surface is, but on average you can expect to get about 800 to 1,000 square feet per gallon. For applying, surface prep is critical. Make sure to remove all dirt, grease, grime, and any foreign material. The surface absolutely must be unsealed and clean before you start. If the surface needs to be stripped, use our Sin City stripper to remove old sealer. Remember to follow all the safety precautions listed on the label and the technical data sheet. This product can be applied to a damp surface, but you should never apply it over standing water. You can apply this sealer using a brush on vertical surfaces. Use a pump sprayer to apply to flat surfaces. We recommend using a fan tip. When you're ready to apply, we recommend using a microfiber mop. Be sure to saturate the mop head with sealer for better coverage. Use a microfiber rag to keep sealer from puddling in hard-to-reach areas. Apply it evenly across the surface and be careful to avoid over-application. Use a shield to help protect areas such as walls and windows from being sprayed. Use the saturated microfiber mop to spread the sealer evenly after spraying. Cleanup is easy. Wash all your tools and equipment with soap and fresh water when you're done. Full chemical bonding and water resistance will develop within 24 to 72 hours. Foot traffic is typically allowed after just 2 hours, and that's how you apply St. City Naturals.